Hey guys, Jackie and Caroline here with Fort Patriots, and it's super hot here in Nashville right now, so we thought, what better way to cool down than kayaking with some of our friends here on the beautiful Caney River.
And of course, since we work at Fort Patriots, we have to come totally prepared, so we've got everything we need to have fun and stay cool. So here's our kayak survival kit. Well, first things first, we don't have great cell reception out here, so I brought my Talk and Go walkie-talkies. We can talk to each other even while we're out on the water, all with the push of a button. How's the water over there?
It's so beautiful. I cannot believe that this is in Middle Tennessee.
Even out in the middle of the river, we have a 3-mile range. And I mean, look how small this thing is. That's why I brought this one today.
Actually, we have 4. Sweet Caroline. So in addition to all of these walkie-talkies, I also brought my Patriot Power Cell. It's backup power for all of my devices, my cell phone, my walkie-talkies, everything. And it charges for free using the power of the sun. So all I have to do is sit out of my canoe, and then I have free power for the rest of the day. Hey Caroline, do you copy?
Hey Jackie, I copy. What's up?
I'm getting kind of hungry. You think we should stop for food soon? I know we got some food bars in the back.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Let's stop.
All right, all this yakking has got me hungry, which is why we decided to park and break for these delicious Fort Patriots food bars. These bars were actually made for folks stuck on lifeboats, so it's kind of perfect. And they can withstand crazy temperatures, all the way from -40 degrees to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a good thing, because based on the humidity here today, it may as well be 300 degrees. But my favorite thing is, they don't taste like rescue bars or lifeboat food. They taste like lemon shortbread cookies.
I love Fort Patriots food bars.
So they're the perfect snack if you're looking for something that tastes sweet and gives you the energy you need to keep on paddling. Here you go, Caroline.
Last up is the Patriot Pure Aqua Bright, which makes sense because we've got the power, we've got the food, and now we've got the water. That's where this guy comes in. The handy clip makes it easy to attach to your bag or kayak. And when you're done with your Aqua Bright, you just fold it up. Not to mention, and I bet you know where I'm going with this, yes, it too is USB rechargeable. So with the Aqua Bright and your Patriot Power Cell, you'll be able to keep the party going.
All right, Caroline, let's wrap this up and get back on the water. The best part about all of these products is that they're water resistant, which means they can take a splash or two and we can keep on trucking. Just don't take a dip and leave one in your pocket. It ain't gonna be pretty. You were on the rowing team in college, no big deal.
Well, there you have it. We made it through our kayak day, thanks all to our great Fort Patriots survival gear. Which begs the question, where are you headed on your next adventure, and what essential gear will you bring with you?
Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Land ahoy! What do you do there? Land ahoy!